Wait a minute. Wait.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, Rylee, what's wrong with your nose?
I'm gonna make Logan laugh.
Okay, well, let me see. Oh my gosh, you fell right on your face earlier and busted your nose up?
No, it's silly putty.
Oh, okay, alright. Okay, well, we'll see what Logan does when you show that to her.
Pussy, look out. Wiggle out. Look out.
Okay, Chris, look out. Let Rylee do it again.
Choo. Where is it? Oh gosh. Oh no, where is it?
I don't know, where did it go?
Push it with my feet.
Oh, it's over here.
Oh.
Get back, Chris.
I didn't live that far.
Logan, you think that's funny? You think that's funny when sister does that?
Funny thing, sir.
Rylee, just make the noises in front of her. Don't worry about the nose.
Try just doing the.
Just make the noises.
Pretend sneeze. What's up?
My turn. Give me this.
Rylee, just make the noise. Just make the noise in front of her.
Sneeze.
Like you're just going, achoo. Do it again. Keep doing it.
Okay, turn it off and let's start it over again.